All right, y'all, I'm gonna show you around a standard room at All-Star Movie Resort. So we are in the Mighty Ducks Building 3 on the second floor, room 3832. Show you guys around. We've got a chair as you come in to the right. This is gonna be where your coffee maker, ice holder, and this is also where your mini fridge is. Nothing too crazy. In this drawer right here, you're gonna find your coffee, your teas, your creamers. And then this room can come either with one king or one queen bed and one table bed. So it's set up as a table right now, but you can pull it down out of the wall into another queen bed. And Brant's just gonna take a nap while I finish this, but it's got Huey, Dewey, and Louie as the art inside of that bed. So I'm gonna show you around the rest. Got some nice drawers. Here is your TV. Welcome, Cree family. You've got some plugs, USB ports available on either side of those. You've got the same setup on either side of the bed, so plenty of plugs for everybody. You walk into the bathroom, you're gonna see kind of some closet space right here to the right. You've got more storage, got an iron, a hair dryer, nice bright lit up mirror. And here is your bathroom. Standard tub shower combo with your Disney H2O products hanging on the wall. Got all of your towels. So overall, this is a standard room.
All right, I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the resort. This is where we're staying, is right across from All-Star Music right there in Mighty Ducks Building 3. And so we're gonna walk down our aisle here. All right, let's start the resort tour. So we're in Mighty Ducks Building 3. One of two pools at the resort is right here. This is the Mighty Ducks pool. You really got to pay attention to all the different details in these resorts. Obviously, you got the giant Mighty Ducks mask and things like that. But I wanted to point out a little Easter egg here. Do you get it? I know my little brother will get it if he thinks about it. But do you get it? And I think this one, nope, that one doesn't make sense. But there's definitely an Easter egg there. So leave a comment below if you get the Easter egg. There's 4 buildings, I think, of Mighty Ducks. There's another shot of the pool. And you can see right here, you got locker rooms, which also has a laundry. So you got Donald's, which is the men's, Daisy's, which is the women's, and Ducks is where the laundry is. And we'll walk out of here, transition to the next session. Let me show you the entrance here. It's the duck pond pool. So next we're going to head into 101 Dalmatians, part of the resort. You got Pongo and Camp Purdy, maybe. Yeah, you definitely got some cool options. Fun little dog bones on the ground. The 2 parent dogs, one of the baby dogs over there. Some spots there. We're gonna walk straight up here into the second pool area. Coming up from the Mighty Ducks area, like I said, we walk past 101 Dalmatians. We're walking right into the Fantasia pool. All right, so the next section is themed to Fantasia. So you got the book here. We're going to come around here. We've got our second pool here, which is the Fantasia themed pool. You got the really cool Sorcerer Mickey right here, spraying water up. That's kind of neat. And we'll walk back this way, right underneath our brooms. And we've got Sorcerer Mickey's hat. And that's also Fantasia. So you got multiple themes in the Fantasia section, which is kind of neat. We'll carry on to the next section. Always gotta watch as you go through the centers of sections and here at the All-Stars, because you have little meet and greet characters. I also wanted to point out something. So I'm still in Fantasia. There's a fire pit. That's cool. This side is Fantasia. This side is actually Fantasia 2000, as that book tells you. All right. We're continuing along. We're into the next part of the resort. This is kind of neat. I'll show you here in a second. Let me get over here to the right spot. I want to go to the winner circle. So this is Herbie the Love Bug. So each of the Herbie sections, the ending is a clapboard. And each one of them seems to have a different movie or reference. But let me show you a little bit of the building here. I'm walking back towards the center, right next to Fantasia. That's the Herbie section. I need to give you guys a better shot of the actual love bug here. So, and point something out. This guy says, this was the actual car that was used in the Magic Kingdom parades from 1978 to 1990. So it's like a screen used prop, just a parade used prop. We're continuing on, walking back through Fantasia to visit our last park here, our last resort section. Overall though, guys, All-Star Resorts, they're better than your average hotel. They have great fun theming, especially if you got young kids with you. You know, I think I said this when we did All-Star Sports a couple months back. I have great childhood memories from staying at sports. I don't think I've ever stayed at the movies before, but nothing I can complain about. We'll hit up this last area and then we'll head inside, show you the dining room, the cafeteria, the gift shop, the arcade, all that kind of fun stuff. But it's a great resort at the budget. You're still on Disney property. Highly recommend. Definitely if you're looking to save some money on your next Disney trip. A kids splash area here. It's either closed or nobody's in it, but always nice to have a splash zone. Here's your laundry and bathrooms for the Fantasia pool. So again, here's the Fantasia pool. So we're coming up, and I've kind of showed you guys in order. Came over from over there, where Mighty Ducks was, then we came through 101 Dalmatians, in Fantasia. Herbie the Love Bug. This is the main office. And we're going to cut this way to head into our final area. As we're on the way here, there's a playground right back here. Nice. We've got the real spot. Just like just a little, you can see. A little dining area, private area. So then we're now got our checkers and oversized checkers and chess. Some ping pong tables like you have at most resorts nowadays. When we come in here, we got a bucket of soldiers. They're climbing out, going all over top. We got RC there. And welcome to the toy store. So, we're going to move down the road here. And we're going to come in here. And we're going to enter Andy's room, which is pretty cool. All right. Listen, it's Andy's room. Keep out. See what we got in here. So we walk through the doorway. We've got Woody and Buzz. We got some books here on the wall. Just in case you were wondering, it's Buzz. And again, just to make sure you didn't forget it, that's Woody. So some other details inside of Andy's room. We got Rex here. We got Bo Peep over here. We've got some checkers and chessboards. A window on the other side of Andy's room. I'm going to go back here because I want to point something out. We can really see from back here. Yeah. So, you probably can't see, but that's Woody over there. And this building's themed to Woody. See the sheriff's badges? And Buzz is on this building. And this building's themed to Buzz. Very cool, guys. Very cool. Alright, so that's all the design sections of Toy Story Land. So we're going to head back towards Cinema Hall now. Just right up this way. And Cinema Hall is going to be where your guest check-in is. Although we do highly recommend checking in on the app in advance. Where you park, you go straight to your car. You don't have to mess with all that stuff. But this is going to be where your food court, gift shop, guest check-in, all that kind of stuff's going to be right up here. So you got the world premiere food court right through those doors there. You got the pool bar is right up there ahead of us. Let's see what that's called. So this is a wayfind point. We're back up by, it's the Fantasia pool again, okay? So we come here. past this, there's that great Mickey again. Got the Silver Screen Spirits here. Here's your pool bar. This is your Star. Your main entrance is going to be through here. Take my sunglasses off. All right. So, come right here. Let me show the All-Star Movie Hall of Fame. Featuring some great movies. There's a second one down there with a movie with Star Wars on it. It's a real fun arcade. Your higher end Disney arcades. Second always got a little large. But basketball, shoot, kinds of different games. Some plenty to do in here. Come out of here. Right here, we got the world premiere food court here. There's the gentlemen doing caricatures. We got some neat, like big movie posters. They also got posters for recent movies all around. The drink station, the backside of the Silver Screen Spirit. You got multiple different food options in here. And plenty of seating. Alright, so as you exit the food court, you're going to come out right now, like I said, Easter. So, got some cast member decorated eggs here. Come around here. Some more movie tributes there. And we've got one for the Hall of Fame, Star Wars. You got Donald's double feature. These are a pretty standard store. Snacks at the back, all the little things you want. Here's your guest check-in. Now we kind of do this backwards, guys, but Ant-Man and the Lost Quantum Leap, or Quantumania, Avatar Way of Water, kids section over here. Kids watch TV while people are checking. My families are checking in. They come out here. You guys check in. And this is the front of the resort. Now we kind of did it backwards because we're staying towards the back, but did kind of want to show you. And here is Disney buses and All-Star Movies.